Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video we're going to explain how you can adjust the illumination effect of a 3D sphere, or in general of a 3D object you add to your drawings on LibreOffice Draw. So let us dive into this. Let me just remove that example 3D sphere and add a new one to that page. To do that, click into that arrow down icon next to 3D objects here at the very bottom of that left toolbar and select your 3D object. I will go for sphere. Position it here on your canvas. Next, select the select tool on top left, right click into your 3D object and choose 3D effects. Here in that menu, what you want to do is switch from the geometry tab to the illumination tab. And here you may customize the illumination. For example, you may choose a different light source. You may choose a different light. You will see the preview below. Then you may use, for example, these sliders to adjust the preview. And if you navigate to textures, you will be given the opportunity to see the preview again. And that's it, guys. So here, if you switch to material, you may change the object color and the illumination color. And for example, the intensity here. And once you're ready, guys, click into that checkmark button in the top right and you will see the effect or result here. That's it. That's how you change the illumination and illumination color of 3D objects on LibreOffice Draw. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.